take. So we open. Today we'll take lesson 5. Open your book on.
Question quickly.
You hear? Yes.
Your voice lagged a little bit.
I'm trying to connect to the other network. It will be better. Wait. Yes. It will be better now. I've connected to the other one. Okay. So in lesson 5, in chapter 10, lesson 5, we have problem. So here, I'll share the PowerPoint with you, but let me first change the options here. Okay, here. Here is it, girls, look. This picture includes all the rules for subject-verb agreement. So let's take from the beginning. Okay. We know we took that subject-verb takes a subject takes a singular verb, right? Right? But they run, they talk, they visit. This is done. This is rule number 1. Done. Grade 10. This is what we took in the first lesson of this chapter. Are you with me? Okay.
Yes.
Number 2, please, girls, be active with me so I understand. I get you on them. Number 2, I have a singular subject takes a singular verb. Plural subject takes a plural. Better. This is better. Better, girls. Hello?
Yes.
This is better?
Yes.
Okay. Again, a singular subject takes a singular verb, a plural subject takes a plural verb. What if after the subject I find as well as, together with, along with? What if I find these? Don't look at them. Don't look at them. As well as, together with, along with. I don't look at them. Again, don't look at them as if they are not there. And the subject takes the verb. So if I say the politician along with the newsman, I don't care. I just go to the politician. Expect it shortly. No, teacher, we take the nearest to the verb. No, we don't take the nearest to the verb here. We take the nearest to the verb in or nor only. Or nor only. Here, prepositional phrases or any intervening phrases, any intervening clauses, I don't look at them. I don't look at them. So the politician is expected shortly. Politician is. Okay? Okay. Number 3. Okay, so this, if I find any intervening phrases, I don't look at them. I cross it. And I take the verb for the subject at the beginning. Number 3. What if I have two subjects and they are joined together? They are joined together by using and. You tell me, girls. Jude, are you here?
Yes, miss.
Jude, if a singular subject and singular subject, We'll take which verb? If I say
because
if I say Jude, and Lana, the verb will be subject or singular or plural?
plural, I guess.
Plural, because anything connected by and will take a plural. Will take a plural verb. Any subjects connected by and will take plural verb. Again, any subjects connected by and will take plural verbs. So Mary and John are, because there is and. Okay? Because there is and. Okay, then there is one exception. One exception here. Here. This is the first time I'll say today. Here, bacon and eggs is my favorite dish. How? How, teacher? Look, I will share this with you. Another slide. Here. Let me first write it for you. Here. You see the PowerPoint, right?
Yes.
Peas and carrots. Do you eat peas and carrots, girls? The green peas and carrots? Do you cook it? Your mother cooks it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Peas and carrots are my favorite food. Because teacher, you said a singular, any subjects connected by and, it takes are. Yes, but look at me. This peas and carrot is in only one bowl or in 5 bowls?
In one
bowl. So how it will be are? It should be is. It should be is my favorite food. Teacher, these are peas and carrots are, but it is only one dish. So this is the exception. If I say, here comes the singer and actor. Diab. Here comes the singer, you know, Diab, right? So we agree that here doesn't come as a subject. Here comes the singer and actor. So he is what? He is a singer and actor. Singer and actor. He is two, teacher. No, he is only one. He is only Amr Diab. Why would I say or? He is not two. He is the same one. How? Look at this, girls. What if I say the Miss Maha? Do you know Miss Maha, the math coordinator?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so the math coordinator and teacher. Is she two or one?
One.
One. She is only one person, so she takes what? Is.
Is.
Why, teacher, she takes is? She is only one person. So this is the only exception of taking and between the subjects. The only exception. You got it?
But teacher, how are we going to tell if, like, for example, the name is not mentioned, like here Amr Diab, if here the math coordinator and teacher?
Only you will understand from the sentence. For any exception, you have to understand from the sentence. There would be a clue. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is or are?
Is.
Yes. Why? Because it's only in one bowl. Okay. You got it? Peas and carrots, mac and cheese. As he said to you in the here, I will share it again. Here, bacon and eggs. Only one plate, only one bowl. Understand me, girls?
Miss, I can see PowerPoint.
It's black.
Girls,
Yeah.
what? I
Yes.
lack again.
Yes.
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
and we
You
can
lack,
see.
the screen is black.
Okay.
Miss, in the example of Amr Diab, you said that here comes the singer and actor Amr Diab. Isn't that like the subject Amr Diab and singer and actor adjectives to him? Like he's a singer and an
No,
actor.
no. Wait, I will tell you. I'll tell you. I'm just saying it to show you. يعني I'm showing here. I just telling his name to show you. Okay, Amr Diab here is a positive. Amr, you see the PowerPoint?
No.
Yes, Miss, I can see.
Yes, Miss, now.
I it.
I wrote it to show you. It is in a positive. I will tell you now in here and there sentences, the subject comes after the verb. So singer and actor is here. Here comes the singer and actor. Again, here it's Amr, there is a positive. You got it, Lujain?
Yes, Miss, thank you.
Teacher, can you repeat?
Again. Okay. Which sentence يا نجوى? نجوى or Noor?
No, it's Najwa. About
Najwa.
the adjective, like singer and actor. Are they the subject?
Here comes singer is the subject and actor is the subject because it's after here or there. Here in a sentence of here or there, here, and there are never subjects. We know this, right? The
Yes.
subject comes after here and there, so after the verb. So comes here is the verb. Singer, singer is a subject for comes. That takes comes the verb. Actor is subject. He is here a subject, not an adjective. Actor
So
here. Actor is a noun here, girls. Actor and singer are nouns, not adjectives. Here they
So
are nouns, not adjectives.
yes,
Yes?
but if Amr Diab came before singer and actor, it will be the subject, right?
Yeah, yes, if it came here, here comes the Amr Diab.
So what comes after the verb directly?
يعني stay away of it, forget it now. Here it's a positive.
Okay.
Listen, here is it. Here is the sentence. Here comes the singer and actor.
Yes.
I'll tell you what, the singer and actor is here. Now it's more clear. It's more clear.
Teacher,
Is it
what's
clearer now?
Ah, yeah, okay, it's here because it lagged. I wasn't able to see, but yes, it is now.
The singer and actor is here. Better?
Yes.
يعني I want you to focus more on the law or on the rule of connecting them together and not with using and, but they are not two things. Only one thing. Done?
Teacher, if I said singers and actors,
Here, if I say singers and actors.
Because teacher, I may mean in the sentence here that a singer came and another actor.
You will
without
understand from the sentence. That's why I wrote for you Amr Diab, so in order to know that he is only one person.
So in the test, it's going to be written the one name, so we can tell if it's about only one. one person.
Yes, you will understand if it's only one person. Like if I say the math coordinator here, Mrs. We understand that it's one person.
Yes. Yes.
Here and you wanted to say, ask me singers and actors. Stop. Singers and actors. Singers are more than one. Actors are already more than one, so they can never be one person. So it should be what? R or is, ya Najwa?
R.
Why? Why it's R?
They're plural. But
Yes, because they are already plural. They cannot be in the same person.
Yes. Yeah.
You understand? Are you sure, girls?
Yes.
So this is the only exception. Okay?
Yes.
So we back to our rules. This is the only exception: bacon and eggs, peas and carrots. Even it's said in here, dish, not dishes. Then we collective nouns. Did we take collective nouns in the previous period?
No, you said you'll give it to us next time.
Great. So I want you to concentrate with me, okay? Look at me, girls. Here is, as I want to say, it's not a bag. This is not a bag. This is a group of birds. Imagine that this is a group of birds, okay? If I talk about the group of birds as one whole, it will be as singular. If I open it and take the birds, each one in a place, will be plural. How, teacher? Look. First of all, what are collective nouns? What are the collective nouns? Look at me, I'll show you here. Remember collective nouns, girls? Hello?
Yes.
What are
Yes.
collective nouns?
When you're talking about a group of something.
When I say one word, but this word contains more than one thing, like what? Here. I'll share. Yes, I'll share the PowerPoint for you. Here is it. Here. Okay. So here are examples of collective nouns. Okay. Here, army, audience, band, group, pack, herd, flock. I look at the sky. I see a flock of birds. Flock of birds. Flock of birds. Flock is flying to the west. The flock of bird is flying to the west. Why is? Because the flock is a group together. Flock is a group together. Okay? But what if I say the flock of birds are falling from the sky? Because each bird is falling alone. Again, class, the teacher comes and she says to me, where is the class? I say to her, the class is in the science lab. The class is, all of the class is in the science lab. You have a science lab, the class, so all of you went to the science lab. The class is in the science lab. But what if you are not, as all of you are not in the science lab? Some of you in the computer lab, some of you in the science lab. I will say what? The class are in the science lab and computer lab. How, teacher? Because you are not one unit. You are not a whole. You are not a whole. Again, you know the jury? You know the jury in a court? The jury in a court.
Yeah.
The man will
Yes.
come out of their room and they say what? The jury has reached its final decision. The jury has reached its final. Why it's? Because the members of the jury had agreed on one decision. They have one decision. They work as a whole, as a unit, as one unit. But if they don't have one, if they don't have one opinion, they are still discussing. So they are not one unit anymore. Not one unit. They are still discussing. So they are divided. So he will say the jury haven't reached to a decision yet. Why? They are still arguing. Or one unit is divided, or. You understand it?
Yes. Yes.
Are you sure?
So when they reach a decision, it's singular, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The flock of birds flies to the west. A whole takes singular verb. They flap their own wings. They flap their because each bird flaps its own wing. The jury has decided its decision. The jury are still arguing. Are you with me?
Miss,
Yes.
the period finished.
Why? Still.
ده الأخير.
You are Kadra?
Yes.
Okay, Kadra. It's because I signed in it, so let's take this 5 minutes, please. Okay, so then we can. Here. Okay, girls, we took collective nouns. Now you understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Then we took this to subject connected by or nor. Either or, neither nor. Not only, but also. I take what? I take the verb for which subject?
Closest.
Closest to. We said this, girls, right or not?
Yes. Yes.
We take the closest to the what? To the verb.
Yes.
Okay. And then we took in two sentences, in the sentences that begin with here and there, where is the subject?
After the verb.
Girls, be with me. After the verb. Then I'll say for you 7. 7 is what? 7 is the pronouns that we sang together. Always singular, always plural, sometimes singular, sometimes plural. What is always singular?
Everyone.
Everybody, everything, someone, somebody, something, nobody, no one, nothing, anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, neither one. They are always singular. Always plural, few, some, few, several, few, many, both. Several, few, many, both. Several, few, many, both. Sometimes singular, sometimes plural. Here is the trick. All, none, all, some, any, more, most, some. All, none, any, more, most, some. Here, all, none, any, more, most, some. What do I do? Some of the books. I look at the object of preposition, and this is the only case I look at the object of preposition. Grade 10. Do you
Yes,
hear me well?
Yes.
Okay, I will stop here. We will continue next week. We still have next week. But what do I want you to make? Please study the chapter, Yani, because next week is week 4. We will take a revision. Week 5 is the exam, so you don't have a chance to ask me except next week in week 4. So please solve the homework. We have finished the chapter, Yani. I'm now revising the all the rules. I'm revising all rules again. Please study. So next week you ask me for anything that has stopped with you. Next week we will solve together the questions. Okay?
Yes.
Okay? Before I go, there is only one thing I want to show you. Here, in the PowerPoint presentation, I uploaded it for you. Here, that there are some nouns that are always singular and some nouns are always plural. These headphones, knickers, shorts, trousers, they are always plural. Why? Because they are formed of two. Like the eyeglasses, why it's a plural? Because it's two. Why shorts plural? Two. Goggles, binoculares, because they are of two parts. And there are nouns that are always singular, although that it ends with S, like economics, politics, news, mathematics, ethics. These are the last 2 points. Okay? And title is always singular. We will revise all of this next time. But what do I want you to make to study in order to ask me any question? Done?
Yes.
Bye, girls.
Yes.
Take
Bye.
1 minute.
Bye, Miss. Have a nice week.
Sorry for delaying you. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. Bye.